Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, an active Firebase project, and owner or editor access so changes persist. Once you have that, open the Firebase console and pick the target project. This is where you'll link services. Make sure billing is enabled if your project will use paid GCP features, because some APIs require it. Next, move to project settings. You'll need the project ID and service account info to enable cloud messaging APIs in the Google Cloud Console. Once done with project basics, go to the Google Cloud Console and open APIs and Services right arrow library. This is where you enable specific APIs. Search for Firebase Cloud Messaging API, select it, and click Enable. This gives your project the backend capability to send messages. Next, go to IAM and Admin right arrow service accounts, create or select a service account with proper roles, and generate a JSON key. You'll download that key. Keep it secure because your server uses it to authenticate messaging requests. Now integrate the Firebase Admin SDK into your server app. Choose Node, Java, Python, or another supported language so you can send messages. Initialize the Admin SDK with the downloaded JSON key and your project ID, then run a test send to a test device token. If the test fails, make sure the service account has the cloud messaging role, the API is enabled, and the JSON key hasn't expired or been revoked. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect API quotas and IAM permissions before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.